In this video, I will show you how to add a stop on Google Maps. So if you want to add a stop in between on Google Maps, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, you need to open up your Google Maps. So let's go ahead and do that. And then we're going to click on the search here option. Then we're going to select a location. So let's say International Airport. Then we're going to click on directions. Then I'm going to choose a starting point and I'm going to choose my home location. So I've just selected my home to Tulsa International Airport. And I'm going to set this to driving in here. And if I want to create a stop, I need to click on these three dots in here. And once I do that, I can click on edit stops in here. And once I click on here, I see that I can add a stop. So right now I have a stop Tulsa International Airport. And let's say I want something else. So let's say I want to have the Philbrook Museum. Then I'm going to fill that in, put it in here. And now you can see that I have a stop, and that is the Tulsa Airport. And if I want to change the stop, then I'm going to hold this in here. And then I'm going to hold it down, just what I want. I can now just change with the stops and just change the directions. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.